Hello students, let us start introduction to multimedia. Last time we had discussed few of the elements of multimedia. One of them was text. Now today we will discuss another element of multimedia, that is sound. Sound is the most important element of multimedia. We can define sound as a meaningful speech in any language. The term sound is used in the analog form, and the digitized form of the sound is called audio. Text and images without any sound are helpful when we are presenting in front of the audience. But in the absence of the presenter, sound plays an important role. The best example is when we are viewing an educational CD. To make such a kind of multimedia presentation, we need to first record the voice and play it according to the animation in the presentation. Nowadays, computers support multimedia applications. They come along with required hardware and software needed for multimedia applications. We get inbuilt sound card, speaker, microphone, and web camera, which are required for multimedia applications. The operating system provides applications that can be directly used for capturing audio and video. Multimedia elements like sounds or videos are stored in media files. To discover the type of media file, we should look at the file extension. The commonly used audio formats are described in following table. The first one is .mid or .midi. It is MIDI file. The full form of MIDI is Musical Instrument Digital Interface. The second type of file is .rm or .ram, which is Real Audio File. The full form of .ram is Real Audio Metadata. It is a combination of audio and video. Third type of audio file is .wav. It is a wave form of audio file. Another type of file extension is .wma, that is Windows Media Audio File. This type of files are compressed with Windows Media Compression. And another type of file is .mp3 or .mpga, which are compressed audio format. .wap is the most popular uncompressed sound format on the internet, and it is supported by all popular browsers. The .mp3 is the new compressed format for recorded music. Another element of multimedia is image. Generally, multimedia presentations are graphics or image based. Information communicated through image is easier to remember and understand. Images used in a multimedia application can be photographs converted into digital form with the help of scanners or generated on the computer. Generally, multimedia presentations are graphics or image based. Computers store pictures in the form of pixels map, also known as bitmap or raster images. A pixel, which is the short form of picture element, is the small dot on the screen. A map is a two-dimensional matrix of these dots. Thus, a bitmap file is a simple matrix of tiny dots which forms an image on the computer screen. Each pixel contains value representing a color. When an image is sent to be displayed on the screen, the picture data is converted to pixels. Another form of image generated by computers is vector graphics. Thus, a bitmap is a simple matrix of tiny dots which forms an image on the computer screen. Vector graphics store the image in the form of mathematical equations. On the screen, both bitmap and vector graphics looks the same. But when you enlarge the bitmap image, it will blur and the pixels will get enlarged as shown in following figure. This is the example of normal bitmap image and enlarged bitmap image. In enlarged bitmap image, when we enlarge the picture gets distorted. The vector images, on the other hand, looks the same when enlarged. This is because the data is stored in the mathematical form and the values are recalculated when displayed on the screen. Bitmap image file formats like GIF, JPEG, and PNG use compression within the file itself. The commonly used image formats are described in the following table. .bmp, it is bitmap image, which are uncompressed images file used to store bitmap digital images. Second type of image file is .gif. The full form of GIF is graphical interface graphical interchange format file, common for web graphics with small images and images with text. It uses limited number of colors. The third type of image file is .png, that is portable network graphics, which are used to store graphics for web images and supports up to 32-bit colors. It was an improvement over GIF. The another type of image file is .jpeg or .jpg, which stands for Joint Photographic Expert Group Image File, which are common image format used by digital cameras. They supports up to 24-bit colors. Another image file format is .psd, which are the files of Photoshop document. This image file created by Adobe Photoshop. The last type of image file is .tif, which are tagged image file format. They are highly flexible and platform independent format, which is